What's up guys, Jimmy, coming to you guys with another video. Before we get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And when you guys hit subscribe, make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. Another day, another review. Today, we are reviewing a pretty special pair of shoes. If you guys don't know, Fragment is a Japanese brand, and they did a collab before with Jordan brand. They released a pair of Air Jordan 1s. I mean, if you guys are into sneakers, you guys know those shoes go for like 2 to 3K. And crazy enough, me and my cousins actually invested in a pair a couple months back. There was someone selling a package deal for Fragment ones and off-white ones, and they were for a pretty good price, so we decided to hop on them, just knowing that the trend of ones are going up and up. So let me know what you guys think, at the end of the review, after seeing these threes, and you guys know what the ones look like. If you don't, I'll post a picture right here. Which one do you guys think is better? I know most people are going to say the ones just because those are classic hands down, but will those threes eventually grow up to that height? And getting right into the review, here's the box of shoes come in. It's your typical Air Jordan 3 box, but it definitely looks very different from your average black and cement gray box. Box comes in just 2 shades of blue. One's like a navy blue and one's more of like a royal blue, and a big white Jumpman on top. The tag is at the very bottom like you typically see, and there's a Fragment design right there. And the Fragment design is basically 2 thunderbolts. The frag for these is Air Jordan 3 Retro SP. Retail is $200, and the colors are white, and black. The box is pretty basic and pretty normal, but it is nice that they did something a little different. Do you guys see the Air Jordan 1 Fragment collab? They really just gave it in a normal Air Jordan 1 box, like the pull-off top. So it was nice that Jordan brand decided to make it a little bit more special. So when you guys open the box, you guys are greeted with this tissue paper that has the Jumpman and the Fragment design. And I gotta say, at first, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little underwhelmed by the shoe, just because I'm so used to threes having the classic elephant print, the classic colorways. My first pair of Jordans ever, like as a teenager, were some white cement threes that I got in 2011 when they first dropped. The white cement threes, Jumpman on the back. Those came out I think in January of that year. So here are the shoes, really nice in hand. I like the detail, the design, super simple, but Fragment isn't known to have super crazy design. So starting with the outsole, you have your classic Air Jordan 3 outsole. It's nice that they have a Nike at the bottom rather than like the Jumpman, so nice little OG detail. And then moving up, you have a white midsole that wraps all the way around, and on the lateral side you have Fall 20, and it has like a bunch of small text. I don't know exactly what it stands for, but at the end it just says Fragment design, so cool little detail right there. And both shoes do say the same thing, so I don't know if every shoe is unique or if that's just the same print that's on every shoe worldwide. So moving up to the mudguard, where you would typically have your elephant print, the iconic elephant print that on threes. You have this pretty sleek black leather that wraps all the way around, and on the lateral side you have your Fragment stamp. I'll say with the shape of these shoes, they're actually pretty nice. You guys look at the toe box, the shoe is really sleek. I know threes, fours, and just Jordans in general are known to be a little bulky, but just the shape of these shoes is pretty solid. The overall design, the overall shape is really sleek and really minimal. And then moving up to the main portion of the shoe, you have this tumbled leather. Quality on the leather is decent. It's nothing crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting a little bit more from this shoe. That's just my take on it. At the bottom of the laces, you have your white eyelets, and then you have your 3 plastic tabs, which is infamous on the threes, and white as well. Basically, all the upper of the shoe is white. After you get past that mudguard, the shoes come with white laces, and unfortunately they don't come with spare laces. And then on the bottom part of the tongue where the laces sit, and then the side panel and the back panel, you have a perforated leather. I know this is shown on the UNC 3s and the gold colorway that came out 2 to 3 weeks ago. Then at the top of your tongue you have a white stitched in Jumpman. I think that looks really clean. And I do like how Jordan brand is making the tongues of the threes a little bit more sleeker, as you guys can see. Just looks really clean. I know with the older models and just your typical threes, the tongue can be a little poofy at times, so really dig into sleek design. The lining of the shoe is white, and at the back of the tongue you have Fragment upside down. So that's a cool little detail, because that's something you typically only see on the fours. And checking out the insoles actually have a special design as well. The insoles are like this navy color that's shown on the box, and it has the Jumpman and Fragment design all the way up to the bottom to top. And to me, the coolest part about the shoe is of course the heel tab on the back. They do it in this cool icy translucent material, so you can see that there's still the Jumpman in the air. It's not as visible, but you guys do have the Fragment design right there on the stamp. And if you guys are looking to cop a pair, pair. I think their resale right now is about 700 to 1,000. I'm not too sure on the exact price. I know it depends on size, and you know, these do fit true to size, so you know, don't go half a size bigger or smaller. I would stick true to size. And that's gonna wrap up the review, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this Air Jordan 3 model. I think at first, you know, the collab was a little bit underwhelming. You know, I think a lot of people, like I said in the beginning, were expecting a lot more, but you know, seeing these in hand, like, I think it's very on par for what Fragment is known for. So make sure you guys stay tuned for more videos, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.